We want to differentiate y is x cubed sine 3x, and we should recognize this as a product. The u here is going to be x cubed, and the v is sine 3x. du dx then is 3x squared, and to get dv dx we use the chain rule. The outside function is the sine. Differentiate sine gives us cosine, so we get cos 3x, and then we multiply by the differential of the inside function. So this is 3 cos 3x. We need to follow the rule, so dy dx is going to be v times du dx, which is 3x squared sine 3x, plus u dv dx, which is 3x cubed cos 3x. We have finished differentiating, but we could tidy. There's a common factor of 3x squared, and then we can open a bracket and put in sine 3x and x cos 3x.